Hey everybody, I'm Liddell Steiner here at Tilmor, and I'm really excited to share some news here with Romain and with Terrateck. We're going to be introducing this partnership here and telling you a little more about what Terrateck does and what we're excited to be able to do with them here in the U.S.
Yeah.
So yeah, say a little more about yourself, Romain, and what you do and what your business is.
So I'm Romain, I'm from France. I have a very good accent, you can hear it. So today, breaking news, you're going to find all the Terrateck products available in the States through Tilmor company. Just to tell you more about Terrateck, we are a manufacturing company. We have two ranges of products. We are designing hand tools, but also rear-mounted tractors, equipment, and also electric stuff. So very happy, very excited to get that product line in the States available through Tilmor.
Yeah, and I'm excited. I know you've got a nice catalog here for us, and I've looked through your catalog quite a bit. Have had the opportunity to kind of select some of the products that we're going to begin introducing. Some of the ones that I'm really excited about are your greens harvesters, your lay-down weeders and pickers. Some of your hand tools are very unique.
Yep.
You know, I was talking with you last night over supper and hearing a little bit about kind of your beginning. You and your partner started making your tools on farms.
Yeah, same story as Tilmor, I have to say. Same background. We started that company 2013. Our parents are farming. They are growing vegetables, and like when they started their farms, they had no equipment, and so we have started designing stuff, and neighborhoods was looking of what we was doing, and we said, okay, we have to make a company and offer that to others.
Yeah. You guys are very innovative. You've built a lot of quality pieces. We've heard good reviews from some customers in the U.S., but also in other regions. You also have a really unique tractor. It's amazing. Good craftsmanship, and so a lot of good things with Terrateck. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to be able to bring this catalog to our customers here in the U.S. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Give us a call. You'll be seeing these products added to our website slowly. It takes some time. You gave me over 500 SKUs. It's going to take a little time to get all of those up and make those available to customers. So, but we will be working at that. And yeah, again, excited. Thank you for being here and looking forward to working with you.
Thanks, Liddell.